It's been a couple since I last heard ya. I've been looking everywhere for ya. How would you feel when you needed someone to hold on to? They turn their back, ain't no turning back. I suppose you couldn't care anymore. I wasn't really there anymore. Laid out with that nice shit, had to jump up in it. Pushed you to the side, thought I'd only take a minute. Could never be a psychic like Cleo. I knew way more than anything. If I be anything, it'd be because of you. Had to hold the vibe just to make it through. I couldn't come alive though I wanted to. Now isn't that a crime? I was all alone, raging battles in my mind. Thought you would be there if I made it back in time. But time just took forever and I couldn't see the signs. And now I'm stuck here in the living room. It plays, but I can't feel the groove. Yeah, I'm just here, you know I wanna find a perfect song. I'm just here, you know I'm trying to find a perfect song. I'm just here, you know I wanna find a perfect song. All day long, nothing feels the same. Wings were made to fly. They don't keep me high, they don't even move. Damage from the rain, emptiness inside. Working every night, silence in the air. I can't even bear, your presence isn't here. Guess I wasn't really there. Yo. They say time will heal. Did what I had to, push these aside, get out. I'm stuck here in the living room. The music plays, but I can't feel the groove. Yeah, I'm just here, you know I wanna find a perfect song. I'm just here, you know I'm trying to find a perfect song. I'm just here, you know I wanna find a perfect song. I've been looking everywhere for you. How would you feel when you needed someone to hold on to? They turn their back, ain't no turning back. I suppose you couldn't care anymore. I wasn't really there anymore. Laid out with that nice shit, had to jump up in it. Pushed you to the side, thought I'd only take a minute. Could never be a psychic like Cleo. I knew way more than anything. If I be anything, it'd be because of you. Had to hold the vibe just to make it through. I couldn't come alive though I wanted to. Now isn't that a crime? I was all alone, raging battles in my mind. Thought you would be there if I made it back in time. But time just took forever and I couldn't see the signs. And now I'm stuck here in the living room. The music plays, but I can't feel the groove. I'm just here, you know I want my
body, I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.